Hello guys and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to deposit money in Bet365 using Skrill. So Skrill offers you a bank account or a credit card so you can deposit money with it like any other method. So here's how to do it. Firstly, log into your account at bet365.com. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the page. In the My Account side menu, select Bank to proceed to the banking section. In the banking section, choose Deposit from the 4 available options: Balances, Deposit, Manage Cards, or Withdraw. You will be directed to a new page to select your preferred payment method. Input the required payment details such as card information or account credentials. Enter the amount you wish to deposit. Now, review all the entered details for accuracy. Once satisfied, just click the Acknowledge and Confirm button to finalize the transaction. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.